So class, welcome back now. You have understood your maths work. The topic which we have done today, wide and narrow. Good. So now it's time to begin our class with EVS period. So this is our EVS period. Now tell me, in the previous class we have started a new topic. So which topic we have started? What's that? Can you tell me the name of the topic which we started in our previous class? We started about yummy fruits. Yes, we have now started learning about different things related to fruits. So, are you all maintaining a chart I asked you to? I told you now that you have to maintain a chart in your notebook that on Monday which fruit you are eating, on Tuesday which fruit you have eaten, then on Wednesday which fruit you are going to eat because you have eaten, and today is Thursday, so on Thursday which fruit you are going to eat, then tomorrow is Friday, again you have to write which fruit you are going to eat tomorrow. Are you maintaining that chart? So this is a game I have started, and we are going to add a block in this every week. So the first thing is I have asked you to write the names of those fruits which you are going to eat in this week. Clear? So just maintain that chart, and in the next week I am going to tell you what additional you have to write about those fruits. Clear? And in the end, when we are about to finish with the chapter fruits, I'll ask you to click those pictures and share them. Clear everyone? So maintain a proper chart on a plain sheet of paper, जो A4 plain sheet आती है. So I'll just tell you how to maintain it. Take a plain A4 sheet of paper, or you can take a plain page like this, a page with single line. Write the day, then the name of the fruit, और उसके सामने की जो space है, you have to leave it blank. Clear all? So now let's begin with our today's topic, and keep it as a curiosity. It's a surprise for you what you have to do, what you have to keep on adding in the start. I'll tell you one by one. Okay? So today we are going to start, we are going to resume the topic of fruits, and what we are going to learn in this, peel or not, and fruits with seeds. So on the previous day also I told you that there are some fruits which we eat. First we peel them, और फिर and after that we eat. That means हम पहले उनको छीलते हैं, उनके ऊपर का जो पील होता है, जो छिलका होता है, हम उन्हें remove करते हैं, and then we eat them, isn't it? And there are some fruits जिनको हम wash करके बिना पील किए, बिना उनका छिलका remove करे खा सकते हैं. Similarly, there are some fruits which have many seeds, जिसमें बहुत सारी seeds होती हैं. There are some fruits which have few seeds. Seeds होती हैं लेकिन कम होती हैं. And there are some fruits which have only one seed. So today we are going to learn about those fruits first whom we peel or we eat without peeling. Then I am going to tell you about some fruits that have many seeds, some that have few seeds, and some that have only one seed. So let's begin. Okay. So now identify different pictures of fruits that I have drawn on board. Come on, identify them. So can you tell me the name of this fruit? Which fruit is this? It's grapes. Yes, grapes. So what is the taste of grapes? They are sweet and sour in taste. And ma'am also told you, you eat raisins. They are made from these grapes only. I have told you that earlier also. And can you tell me the colors in which we get the grapes? Grapes comes in two colors. One is green and one is black or dark purple, you can say. So we have two flavors, or you can say two type of grapes we have. So can you tell me, when you want to eat grapes, how you eat them? You peel them or you just wash them and eat? Firstly, we have to wash all the fruits. Either we are going to peel it or we are not going to peel it. You have to wash all your fruits. As I told you, you remember the poem? Wash, wash, wash your hands with soap and water too. Reason your fruits and vegetables. Reason your fruits and vegetables before you eat them too. है ना? I told you that you have to wash when you're washing your hands. Similarly, you have to wash your fruits and vegetables also. So, first thing is we have washed the fruit. Now, if I talk about grapes, are you going to peel it? इसको छील सकते हैं हम? No, we cannot. हम इसे peel नहीं कर सकते. We eat it like that only. Isn't it so? So, I am going to circle those fruits here which we are not going to peel. ठीक है? जिनको हम peel नहीं करेंगे, I am going to circle them. So, grapes is a fruit which we don't peel. Yes, we don't peel it. Now, talking about this, what is this? Which fruit is this, class? It's pineapple. Which fruit is this? It's a pineapple. So, pineapple आपने देखा है? This crown of pineapple is green in color and the cover, this peel is little brown and yellow in color और इसके ऊपर ना छोटे छोटे पाइन्स होते हैं. पाइन्स मतलब छोटे छोटे कांटे होते हैं. जब आप उसे टच करते हो आपको यहाँ पे चुभते हैं. So that is why the name is pineapple. And when you cut it, it is yellowish inside. Yellow color का होता है. So can you peel? So when you want to eat a pineapple, you need to peel it or you just cut it and eat it. We peel it क्योंकि ऊपर की जो पाइन्स हैं वो भी रिमूव करते हैं. We peel it properly. We remove those pines. वो जो कांटे कांटे से होते हैं, we remove them, and then we cut slices of it. And after that, we eat it. So what is the inner color of pineapple? It's yellow in color. And what is the taste? Again, the pineapple is also sweet and sour in taste. Sweet means meetha, sour means khatta. So sweet and sour is meetha or khatta, or sour and sweet, khatta meetha. Clear everyone? So we are not going to circle it because we peel it. Then we have mango. So mangoes are coming in this season. You all must be eating mangoes. So now tell me, when you eat a mango, mama cuts it to you. So before cutting that mango, are you peeling it or you are not peeling it? आप उसको peel के साथ खा रहे हो? No. नहीं खाते ना मैंगो पील. We just peel it off. पहले हम उसका छिलका उतारते हैं and then we cut the small slice or dices and then we eat the mango. So mango again is a fruit which we have to peel first. Okay. Now moving to the next. What picture is this? Cherries. Yes. So have you seen those red color small cherries? They come in a small box. Yes, those are called cherries. They are maroonish or reddish in color and very sweet in taste. They are very sweet in taste. So can you tell me, if you have ever eaten a cherry, so you wash it and eat it, or you wash it, then you peel it and then you eat it? हम इसको peel करते हैं? No, we don't. हम उसको wash करते हैं and we eat the cherries. So cherries again is a fruit which we don't peel. So I am going to circle this cherry also. Clear all? Now moving to the next fruit. It's an apple. So you all are very much familiar with this fruit. An apple, red in color and it is white from inside. They are crunchy, they are juicy in taste. So now if I want to eat an apple, what I have to do? First I'll wash it. Done. मैम ने उसे वॉश कर लिया. Now can I eat it with peel or without peel? Actually we should always peel the apple also when we want to eat, because the cover of apple is having lot of wax on it and that is not safe for us. So if you are eating your apple with peel, don't eat it with peel. Ask your mother to peel it off. उसका छिलका उतारना है. First wash it thoroughly, then उसका छिलका उतारना है and after that cut it in small pieces, slices or dices as you want and then you can eat it. So we'll say apple is a fruit which we should peel. So it is a fruit we peel and we eat. Clear everyone? Now I have an orange here. So how you eat an orange? उसकी slices खाते हैं. So you peel it or you just cut and eat the orange? We first peel. जो ये बाहर orange color का उसका cover होता है, first we peel that. उसको peel करने के बाद ही we can get those slices ना. So orange again is a fruit which we peel first and then we eat. Clear everyone? So there are a lot of other fruits like kiwis. Kiwis is a fruit. आपने kiwi देखा है? बाहर से brown होता है. When we cut, it is green inside with some black seeds. So kiwi is also very sweet fruit. जब आप इसे cut करते हो, so before cutting it, you have to peel it as well. One is kiwi. We need to peel. Okay. If I tell you banana, if we talk about banana, banana is a fruit which we have to peel first. Then we have चीकू, again a brown fruit. चीकू में आपने देखा बड़ी बड़ी seeds होती हैं, लेकिन they have few seeds. So moving towards the topic about seeds now. So there are some fruits which have many seeds. Many मतलब बहुत सारे. Some fruits that have few seeds and some fruits that have only one seed. So let's begin the topic of seeds now. So which fruit is this? It's a watermelon. It comes in summers. So you all love eating watermelons. Okay. So if you cut a watermelon, जब आप उसे कट करते हो, you find lot of black seeds in it. तो बहुत सारी होती है या बहुत थोड़ी सी होती है? Actually there are lot of seeds in it. So watermelon is full of seeds. So what we are going to say? Watermelon is having many seeds. Many मतलब बहुत सारे. So watermelon is a fruit that have many seeds. Okay. Now if I talk about papaya, see I have drawn a piece of watermelon. इस तरह से seed से भरा हुआ होता है ना वो. Now this is papaya. This is papaya. So I have a half papaya here with me. जब हम papaya को cut करते हैं, you must have noticed a hole in the papaya. इस तरह से एक hole होता है, and in that hole it is filled with black color seeds. Black color के छोटे छोटे दाने होते हैं. They look like as a black pepper. काली मिर्ची के दाने जैसे दिखते हैं. And those are seeds. Again, papaya is having many seeds. वो भी बहुत सारी होती हैं. Now moving towards this side once again. So if I talk about cherry, when you eat a cherry, you will find cherry is having only one seed. So cherry is a fruit that have only one seed. So I just erase this circle now because we are talking about seeds. So cherry is a fruit that have only one seed. Now can you tell me one more fruit that have one seed? So one is cherry that has only one seed. Another one is a mango. So you are eating a mango. When you peel it, you cut it. What do you find? One big seed. उसमें कितनी seeds होती हैं? Only one. But that one seed is big in size. So mango is the one which has only one seed. Understood? Now if we talk about orange, जब आप orange को peel करते हो and you eat those slices, each slice is having one or two seeds in it. So what we can say, many नहीं बोलेंगे, but we are going to say orange has few seeds. Orange has few seeds. Again, if we talk about apple, जब आप apple को cut कर रहे हो, so you find that the center part of each slice is having some seeds. So again for apple also, what we are going to say? Apple has few seeds. Clear all everyone? So there are some fruits which we eat with peel. There are some fruits which we eat without peel. तो peel के साथ खाने वाले fruits हो गए grapes. Then we have cherries. Sometimes we eat guava and pear with peel only. Then the fruits which have one seed are like peach, plum, mango. As I told you, we have cherries which have only one seed. Fruits that have many seeds like watermelon, then we have papaya, then another example can be pear. पेड़ जब आप कट करते हो उसमें भी बहुत सारी seeds होती हैं. So like this we can segregate fruits on the basis of their seeds, that is few seed, one seed or many seeds, and on the basis of their peel, कि हम कौन से fruits को peel करके खाते हैं और कौन से fruits को बिना peel किए खाते हैं. Is this topic clear to all? So now moving towards today's work. So today you are going to do work on book page number 70 and 71. So these are the two pages you are going to work today. So let's see how we have to do our work. Okay? So class, now open your Environmental Studies book 2, and in this book we are going to do page number 70. Clear? So this is your page number 70. All of you have to open this book on page 70, and there you are going to find the topic peel or not. Clear? So today we have learnt about the fruits which we eat with peel and the fruits which we eat without peel. So this is what we are going to do in book, and the first thing that we have to do is we are going to write the date here. So what is the date, class? Let's see in how we have to write. So today is 6th August 2020. So this is our date today, and with date we are also going to write classwork. So can you see I have written classwork here. Now moving towards our topic, that is peel or not. So what the question says, write P for the fruits you eat after peeling. That means the fruits which we peel, मतलब जिनका हम छिलका उतारते हैं, we eat without their peels, उनका peel हटा के खाते हैं, we have to write P. Can you see a space given under every fruit? So we have to see which fruits we eat after peeling, यानी कि उनका peel उतारने के बाद. So let's start with these fruits one by one. So the first fruit given to us is grapes. So now tell me, do you peel the grapes? No, we don't. So we have to leave it blank, and we are going to put a blank line like this. Clear? Now moving to the next fruit. So which is our next fruit? Chiku. Yes. So chiku is a fruit that is having a brown covering from outside, and when you cut it, it is again brown from inside, and they are very sweet in taste, and they have black color seeds. So they have many seed, I can say. They don't have one seed, they have more than one seeds. So now can you tell me, is this fruit you eat after peeling or before, or you don't peel it? We actually eat this fruit after peeling. So what we have to do, we are going to write P here. So like this, I'll write P. Clear? Now moving to the next fruit, it's pineapple. So which fruit is this? Pineapple. Yes. So I have told you, this pineapple, they have small pines on it, and we always peel it before eating. Clear? So it is also a fruit which we eat after peeling. So what we have to do, we are going to write P like this here also. Now moving to the next one, we have cherry. So which is the next fruit we have? The next fruit we have is cherry. Yes. So can anyone tell me, you eat cherry with peel or without peel? We eat with peel. That means we don't peel this fruit. So again what we are going to do, we are going to put a dash here. Understood? Now the next one we have is mango. So now mango season is going on. We all are eating mangoes these days. Now tell me, you peel your mango when you eat it? Yes, you do that? Very good. So mango is a fruit we eat after peeling. Now next is pear. So you peel it or not? Pears are also coming these days. So you peel your pear or not? Yes, you do that. Okay. So we are going to write P here. Okay, now moving further, the next we have is guava. So which is the next fruit we have? We have guava. Okay. So you peel your guavas? No, we don't peel our guavas. So I'm going to put a dash here. So now moving to the next fruit, banana. So the favorite of all the kids, all children like eating bananas. Okay. So now you tell me, when you eat banana, you remove this peel, this yellow peel, you remove it or not? Yes, you remove. So what we have to write? We are going to write P here. Now moving to the next fruit, that is apple. So you peel your apple? Okay, very good. We peel our apple. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to write P here again. So now this is how we have differentiated between the fruits on the basis that we eat them after peeling or we eat them with their peel. So you have to do this work on page number 70 as your classwork. Understood? Now moving towards your homework. As we have also discussed about the fruits with their seeds, that fruits have many seeds and some fruits have one seed, isn't it? We have discussed that also. So this is the work as your homework. So what you have to do, again we are going to write date, that is 6th August 2020, and this is your homework. So what you have to write? We are going to write HW. Clear everyone? Is this clear to all? So now what do you have to do? The question says some fruits have many seeds. Color them. As I told you, there are fruits that have many seeds like papaya, orange, pear, watermelon. Then we have muskmelon and we have chiku, then apple. So these are fruits that have many seeds, and that I have told you that when we cut them, lot of seeds come out, isn't it? And then we have some fruits that have only one seed like mango, plum, cherry, peach. So these fruits have only one seed. So what is your homework? Your homework is you have to color all these fruits. So you know how to color them. So the first is you are going to color those fruits that have many seeds as well as those fruits that have only one seed. So your homework and classwork both are clear to you. So the classwork is on page number 70, that is peel or not, and your homework is fruits with seeds on page number 71. Clear everyone? So class, I have told you how you are going to complete your today's work. Finish your work, click their pictures and share with me. Till then, bye all, take care and get ready for the next class.